Good morning, everybody. This is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Papercrafts Facebook group. Now, I'd like to welcome you. This is our LineDotArrow May drawing, even though it's June, but this is the drawing for the month of May, which was Throwback Thursday, so our videos were all on Thursdays last month. Now, I want to make sure that you watch this all the way to the end because our Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journal Tutorials and More, and the Junk Journal and Papercrafts Facebook group drawings are all combined in one video this time. I've discovered it's much easier this way than making 3 separate videos because that's just kind of a pain. So there's going to be 5 winners in each Facebook group. Each winner is going to win 1 junk journal kit from LineDotArrow. And the way you claim your prize is if you win, you go to the LineDotArrow Etsy shop, and the link to that will be below. And then you find the kit that you want, and then you use the Etsy contact owner system. You just click on contact owner and it's like an email thing, and you let Natalie know which drawing you want in other words, which group, okay, and what kit you want and your email address. Okay, now I'm not sure if she's doing it by messenger now, but I think she's doing it by email. Now you're gonna have to give her a few days at the most to get back to you. Usually she does it right away, but you know, there's 6 groups in the drawing, having drawings, and so that means there's 30 people that she has to get back to. So just give her a little bit of grace there and let her give her a chance to get back to you. So this is our random number generator, and oops, there we go. And this is what we're going to use. Just ignore this. This is from another drawing. It always holds the last number. And all I do is I put the upper limit, and we're on, this is Sweet Pea Papers for May. And let's see, what is it, 99? 93. We didn't have a whole lot of people this month. I think it's because mine was the little fairy houses and stuff. And unfortunately, it was a little confusing, I guess. But no matter which Throwback Thursday project you were doing, you could publish it or post it in any of the groups. But a lot of people thought you just could post it in the group that you were doing that kit from. So this month they were going to have a lot more because we've got 3 kits. It's going to be great. Well, last month was great too, but I'm just saying. Yeah, it's 2:15 in the morning, so or 2:19. You can tell that by right down there. Anyway, so let's go ahead and do the drawing for Sweet Pea Papers. And like I said, there's going to be 5 winners. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first winner is going to be number 8. It'll be all the way back up here. Number 8. And that's going to be Bianca. Okay. And I'm going to copy and paste her name, because I don't want to misspell it. There we go. And then winner number 2 is number 45. And that's Charlene. Charlene Taylor. I've got my mouse set on silent and it scrolls like a whole page at a time. So it makes me a little crazy. I think I'm going to put it back. You're just going to have to listen to it click. Charlene Taylor. Oopsie. And winner number 3 is number 42, which is Corey. Yeah, you already had to listen to me type, so isn't that how you spell it? K-O? Yeah, C-O-N. Yeah, I got it. I got it. And winner number 4. We're going to have a lot of winners. 71. Renee. And winner number 5 from Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and that's going to be the last winner from this group. It's number 22. And that's Robin. And I'm going to copy and paste her name too. All those long names. Okay, so now we're going to go down here and we're going to switch to Junk Journal Tutorials and More database. I like how I do this. It's so much easier. And we only had 79 entries there. Gives you a better chance of winning, huh? And the first winner from Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group drawing. Listen to all that. Say all that really fast 10 times. It's going to be number 8. Was number 8 one of the winners in the thing? Oh, Robin won in this one too. I forgot to mention, you can only win once in each drawing, but you can win in multiple drawings. If you win in multiple drawings, tell Natalie which ones, as in multiple, that you won in, and which kits you want. You get a kit per winning drawing. Okay. Whoops. Forgot to put that part in. Okay, winner number 2, 26. This is going very similar. And that's going to be Deb. Okay, winner number 3, number 10. Look at all the long names. Whoopsie. Had to get all of her name. And that's Michelle. Everybody's got 3 names so far. And the next winner, number 68, which is Beatrice. Sorry about my noisy desk. It's got a loose screw in the I have a screw loose. So my desk is noisy. I have a bad habit of swinging back and forth in my chair. And, yeah. So I keep bumping into the loose part of my desk. The next winner, the last winner, is number 16. Not the last winner altogether, but the last winner for Junk Journal Tutorials and More. is Michelle, and she can't win twice in one drawing, so we're going to have to spin again. Or not spin, but generate again. Thinking of the other guys with their spinners. And that's going to be winner number 5. Now, wouldn't that be funny if all 5 winners in this, all but Beatrice have 3 names in their name. I mean, you know, 3 names in their name. Okay, Junk Journal and Papercrafts. 72 people total to draw from. First winner is number 34. You know, did I put next to Wendy, did I put number 5, winner 5? I don't remember what number she was. Let me look and see if I wrote down winner 5. I don't think I did. I'm going to put winner 5 next to 32 because I think that was which one it was. But I just want to make sure to have all 5 in my database and it's the right name. So, okay, you guys? Okay. So now, wait a minute. So that means 34 must have been the first person in this one. Now I shouldn't have stopped in the middle. If I generate it again, then number 34 is going to be mad. So let's go here. That's going to be Corey. Sorry, you guys, if I made a mistake, but winner number 2 going to be number 54, and that's going to be Robin. Oh, we got the same people, and by the time we get to the 3rd group, it's what happens when you remember to post your, like I said, to post your project in all 3 groups of mine, and then the other 3 groups too. Starting in June, we're going to be welcoming Rockin' Robin's Crafty Corner, or Creative Corner, to the group. So there'll be 7 groups that you can post in. So that'll be great. Let's use 1 or 2. And yeah, so that'll give you another group to enter. And all that information will be in the June, underneath all the June videos that I do. And also in the event information on every one of the groups is a list of all the other groups that you can enter. And there's a URL, just one, a Linktree link that takes you to all of them. Okay, number 54, we did that. All right. Number 60. And that's Charlene. Yeah, we're doubling up, aren't we? Are these doubles, all of them? Yes. Yep. Every one of these people have won in one of the other 2 drawings. See if we can keep that going. Number 22. Melissa Sears. Oh, she's new. Congratulations, Melissa. I mean, not to the drawings, but I mean to the ones today. That's going to be winner 4. Man, I really need to fix my desk, don't I? Okay, winner number 5, which is going to be the last one for this multiple drawing here, is going to be number 6, which is Bianca. Congratulations, Bianca. I'm definitely copying and pasting your name. Nothing wrong with your name. You got a great name. It's just really long. I wouldn't want to sign your checks. Okay, so these are all the winners right here in Sweet Pea Papers. We had Bianca, Charlene, Corey, Renee, and Robin. Robin, your name's over one space. Okay, in Junk Journal Tutorials and More, we had Robin, Deb, Michelle, Beatrice, Wendy. In Junk Journal and Papercrafts, we had Corey, Robin, Charlene, Melissa, and Bianca. Okay, so you guys are all winners. Well, everybody's a winner, but you guys happen to win in the drawing. I better not do that, because then when I go to copy and paste it into Messenger and send it to Natalie, then it'll look all messed up. So anyway, make sure this month in June that you post your crafts that you've made with one of the 3 kits, all of the 3 kits, any one of the kits, and the free challenge papers, or just the free challenge papers. So you have a lot of choices this month on what to do or how to do it. Make sure to watch Natalie's video every Saturday, and she will give you an example of what you can do with the challenge papers. You do not have to reproduce her project identically. You can just do whatever you like with the free challenge papers or the kit papers, and just have some extra fun doing your own thing. Okay, well, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next month's drawing as far as this kind of video is concerned. And good luck to everybody in June. And I will see you in the beginning of July. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.